Apple's major product lineup set to ignite 2027, celebrating 20 years of the iPhone, as Apple approaches the landmark 20th anniversary of the iPhone in 2027. The tech giant is reportedly preparing a slew of groundbreaking products that promise to reshape its ecosystem and redefine user experiences. According to Bloomberg's veteran technology journalist Mark Gurman, Apple's plans for 2027 extend far beyond typical iterative upgrades, positioning the year as a pivotal turning point filled with innovation and bold design choices. The folding iPhone, a new chapter in smartphone design, central to Apple's 2027 lineup, is the anticipated debut of its first foldable iPhone. Unlike existing foldable smartphones on the market, predominantly from Android manufacturers, Apple's version is rumored to feature an almost invisible crease at the center of the flexible display. This design advancement could set it apart significantly, as most current foldables struggle with noticeable fold lines, despite years of engineering efforts to minimize them. Expected to be unveiled alongside the iPhone 18 at the end of 2027. This folding iPhone will likely arrive in time to celebrate the iPhone's 20th anniversary. Early reports suggest the device will boast a titanium frame, lending it durability and a premium feel. Pricing is speculated to surpass the $2,000 mark, indicating Apple's positioning of the product as a luxury, high-end device. This foldable iPhone represents Apple's commitment to pushing smartphone form factors forward and responding to evolving consumer expectations for versatile and innovative mobile devices. The curved all-glass iPhone marking a decade since the iPhone X. In addition to the folding model, Apple is also expected to release a premium curved iPhone, characterized by an almost entirely glass design. This model is set to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the iPhone X, the device that pioneered the all-glass iPhone aesthetic and introduced the industry to edge-to-edge displays with Face ID. The new curved iPhone will reportedly feature a truly bezel-less display with no notch or other visible cutouts, creating a clean, uninterrupted viewing experience. This leap in design sophistication could redefine Apple's approach to screen technology, enhancing immersion for multimedia, gaming, and daily use. Smart glasses with AI. Apple's foray into wearables beyond the wrist. 2027 will also mark Apple's significant step into the realm of smart glasses, infused with artificial intelligence AI. This new device aims to rival Meta's Ray-Ban stories, leveraging advanced cameras and sensors to interact intelligently with the user's environment. Powered by Apple Intelligence, the company's in-house AI framework, and the visual intelligence system, these glasses are expected to seamlessly recognize surroundings and facilitate augmented interactions. Apple's engineering team is reportedly working on a dedicated chip specifically designed for this wearable, promising high efficiency and robust AI performance. This innovation signals Apple's strategic expansion into new product categories, laying the groundwork for future augmented reality, AR and mixed reality MR ecosystems. Continued AR development, AI-enhanced AirPods and Apple Watch. While Apple continues to advance its dedicated AR glasses, these may not launch imminently, but remain part of the company's mid-term roadmap. Meanwhile, existing wearables like AirPods and the Apple Watch are slated for next-generation versions that integrate AI features deeply, leveraging the visual intelligence technology and advanced cameras. These devices aim to provide smarter, context-aware functionalities. For example, AI could enhance health monitoring, gesture recognition, and personalized user experiences, further cementing Apple's dominance in the wearable market. Series AI Evolution, a smarter digital assistant supporting this AI-powered product ecosystem, is an overhaul of Siri, Apple's voice assistant. The upcoming iteration, expected to debut in the fall preceding 2027, will incorporate large language models, similar to those powering advanced AI chatbots, to offer more natural, responsive, and intelligent assistance. This upgrade is anticipated to make Siri more conversational, context-aware, and capable of handling complex user requests, which will be critical to the usability of Apple's increasingly AI-centric devices. AI-driven smart home robotics and control center. Beyond personal devices, Apple plans to introduce an AI-powered robotic arm, with a distinct personality. Though the exact launch timeline is uncertain, this robotic limb forms part of Apple's broader vision to dominate the smart home sector by providing automated, intelligent support in domestic environments. Complementing this is the development of a smart home control hub, positioned between the iPad and HomePod in functionality. This hybrid device has faced delays but could arrive in 2027, acting as a centralized command center for managing home automation, powered by the new, more capable Siri. A transformative year for Apple. The year 2027 is shaping up to be a transformative milestone for Apple, blending cutting-edge hardware innovation with a profound integration of artificial intelligence across multiple product lines. From the introduction of an elegant foldable iPhone to intelligent glasses and home robotics, Apple is poised not just to celebrate 2 decades of iPhone success, but to usher in a new era of technological advancement. For consumers and industry watchers alike, 2027 will be a defining moment that reveals Apple's vision for the future. One where AI and sophisticated design converge to create seamless, intelligent, and immersive experiences that extend well beyond the traditional smartphone.